If you're seeing the message, "Can't add to group, network request failed, please try again later" on Instagram, you're not alone. This issue usually shows up because of app glitches, outdated versions, or simple network problems. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix it properly. Start by checking your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, and that your connection isn't dropping. Next, open the Play Store on your phone. Tap on the search bar and type Instagram. When the app page opens, check if an update is available. If you see the update button, install the latest version of Instagram and wait for it to finish. Once the update is complete, go back to your home screen. Press and hold the Instagram app icon, then tap on App Info or the small I button. Scroll down and open Storage. From there, tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that often cause errors without deleting your account or data. After clearing the cache, go back to the previous menu and open Force Stop. Tap OK to confirm. Now restart your phone by pressing and holding the power button, then selecting Restart. This helps refresh the system and apply the changes properly. After your phone turns back on, open Instagram and try adding members to your group again. In most cases, the issue should be fixed by now. If this helped, stay connected for more simple fixes and updates like this.